Guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at how to fix the ChatGPT internal server error. Experiencing ChatGPT internal server error while using ChatGPT can be frustrating, especially when you are in middle of an important task. Here are 10 quick and effective ways to solve this ChatGPT internal server error issue and get back to your conversation seamlessly. Also, please note, if you have any computer or software related problem, feel free to submit your problem on our website or comment down below and we will make a solution video for you to resolve it. So let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for accessing ChatGPT. Ensure your device is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. If you are using Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection. Method 2. Sometimes simply refreshing the page can resolve the ChatGPT internal server error issue. This can often clear temporary glitches causing the error. Method 3. Click on the profile icon, select log out and log in again with your credentials. Logging out and returning to your ChatGPT account can help reset your session and resolve the ChatGPT internal server error. Method 4. Open Google Chrome, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete to open clear browsing data window. Select the time range to all time to clear all data. Check on the boxes next to browsing history, cookies and other site data and cached images and file. Click on clear data. Over time, your browser accumulates cache and cookies which can cause various issues. Clearing your browser's cache can often fix ChatGPT internal server error. Method 5. Open Google Chrome, click on the 3 vertical dots and click on extension. You may see a list of extensions that have been installed. To disable the extension, click on the small icon next to its name. Disable all the extensions. Check to see if the problem is resolved. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with the website functionality. Disabling all extensions and accessing ChatGPT again can help resolve the issue with ChatGPT. Method 6. Open Google Chrome, click on the 3 vertical dots, hover over settings, click on restore settings to their original defaults. Click on reset settings. This action will disable all extensions, clear temporary data and reset settings to the default, which can help resolve the issue with ChatGPT. Method 7. Go to start and search for settings. Select network and internet from the settings box. Then choose VPN from network and internet menu. It shows up on the right side if you are connected to any VPN. And if you are connected to the VPN, click on disconnect. VPNs can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Temporarily disabling your VPN and accessing ChatGPT might resolve the issue. You can also adjust the VPN server to a different server to help resolve the issue. Method 8. Open Google Chrome, go to settings, system and open your computer's proxy setting. Turn off any proxy settings that will appear here. Proxies can also interfere with your connection to ChatGPT. Disabling the proxies can help resolve the issue with ChatGPT. Method 9. Sometimes the issue might be on OpenAI's end. You can visit the OpenAI status page to check if there is any ongoing server issue. If the servers are down, you can wait until the issue is resolved at their end. Method 10. If ChatGPT internal server issue persists, try accessing ChatGPT with a different web browser. Sometimes browser-specific issues can cause error. Switching to another browsers like Firefox, Edge, Safari can help you determine if the ChatGPT internal server error is a browser-related problem. Method 11. It's possible that by using an extremely confused prompt, you are exceeding ChatGPT's character limitation. Set guidelines for your response instead, like limit response to 500 words or something similar. This keeps the AI from abruptly terminating when it tries to output an excessive amount of data. Rephrasing the prompt like this can help resolve the issue. Method 11. Use incognito mode of your browser. You can surf website using the browser's incognito mode without having any local data from the session saved, which might be causing the issue. Using the incognito mode of your browser can help resolve the issue. Method 13. You might have exceeded ChatGPT's rate limitation. If you have been making a lot of requests. To fix this issue, you just have to wait a little while and try it. Method 14. If the issue still persists, you can try ChatGPT's substitute like ChatGPT slide bar, Google Gemini or Bing Chat. So this is it for the video. If this video fixes your issue, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. And if the issue still persists, then comment down below and we'll try to resolve it for you. Thank you.